Namaste. Hope everybody is safe staying at home. Okay. Now today we'll make these small baskets with paper. As we are getting so many festivals in India in the coming 6 to 8 months. Okay. We can use these baskets giving haldi kumkum, which is very famous in South India. Putting the betel nut and the leaf, that is palm leaf, and then gift it to the ladies. Also you can put toffees and gift it to your friends or relatives on birthdays or on special occasions. Or you can use it putting ornaments like this, small earrings or anything, or you can also put small idols like this. Okay. Now we'll start making these baskets. To make these small baskets, what all the material we required, we'll check now. This is old newspaper, one rod to roll the paper like this, and then artificial flowers. This is a plastic cover with a zip. These are the netted material sheets, okay, and thread, haldi, kumkum, and then gum and paint brushes. Okay, these all the items are available at home. In case you don't have any of these items, you need not rush to the shop to find out any of them. Whatever is available at home, you can start doing it. In case nothing is available, or in case one or two items are not available, during the course of the video, I'll tell you what are the alternates or options available. Okay. Now we'll start making the rolls. We'll take a newspaper and then fold it to half like this. Okay. And then cut it into half. Please don't go to any shop finding these items. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. I hope you understand, and this is my sincere request. Take the paper, one of the sheets, and then leave 2 inches this way, and then a small fold here like this. No need to apply any glue or anything. Just roll your fingers on the paper. Okay. Like this. We'll be rolling it, and then we'll close it with the gum. That's it. That's it. Hope you understood it. And slowly remove this rod. This rod is of one of the spoiled hangers. I've cut that and then taken. If you don't have this rod, you can go with the paint brushes or pen or pencil which is thin like this. Or if it is little fat also, you can go ahead, no worries. Okay, the roll becomes like this. And you will make rolls like this. How many baskets you wanted, you can make. Now we'll check how many rolls we would be requiring to make a small basket. We'll start rolling it down. Okay, then press like this. That's it. And then small roll like this. This way. Little come here. Roll it slowly, closely, small rolls. Okay, as we are making the basket, just roll it this way. Initially it will be little difficult to roll it. Once you complete 1-2 rows, you will be able to roll it freely. Please don't apply any glue or anything, because we will be giving the basket shape. If you paste it in middle of the rolling, then it will be difficult to make a basket. Okay, this way. Three to 4 sticks would be sufficient depending on the size of the basket. Once you come to the end of this roll, you will take one more roll and then insert it into this one, this way. Just a half inch or 1 inch, you can push it inside and then press it, and then start rolling again. These are the 6 sticks roundel I've made, and then we are closing this, applying little glue. We will close this. We should have little patience to make this round. Okay, here and there it might loosen. Just pull it and then close it. Hold it for 1 minute. By the time it sticks to the paper. Okay. Now, after this is dried completely, we will start making the basket. So we have to wait for this. If you feel that this is not round enough, you can press this way wherever you feel that it is out of shape. That's it. Don't press too much, it will come out. Okay. Now slowly from the center you will lift up all the sides using your fingers. Decide first which way you wanted the well, either this way or this way. So I am planning to create the well inside, so I am just pulling it out just this way. Slowly, don't be in a hurry, otherwise, because we did not apply any glue anywhere, it will come out. We will take the glue and then just apply it. You can take glue or Fevicol, whatever is available at home. This way. If you are using Fevicol, then mix it with a little water and then apply it. That's it. Leave it for drying. Okay. We'll take one more stick and then press it this way and then make it into half. You can not exactly half. One side it will be little longer. Okay. And take the longer stick, fold it like this, like a V, and then go back and this will come up. Okay. Again you will turn this and this will come. Basically you are wrapping this long stick to this smaller one. Now this is done. Okay, you will check the size. If it is little longer or if you feel that it is looking odd, then we will cut it here. Okay. Check it. I think this is okay. We'll close the ends. And then take it like this and then paste to the basket. Check the center and then paste it. This way, okay. And also this side. Once we paste the handles, it will look like this. You can paint this basket, or you can leave it like this if you like, or you can paste. I have used the Asian paints. You can use any color of your choice. I have made already a few baskets using the Asian paints. I've just given the contrast color, here orange and here green. Likewise, you can paint this also, or you can leave it like that. So now we use these baskets for haldi kumkum. Okay, we'll make the haldi kumkum packets. We'll take these small size Ziploc covers, and then to one corner we will put haldi, and to one corner we will put kumkum. Open this and then put little haldi to one corner, and this way we will be closing this, and then tie the thread. And to the other corner we will put the kumkum. And likewise you will be closing. Okay. This one, and then put together and then close it. Just wrap thread and then put a knot over here. Once you put the haldi and kumkum and you tie it, it will become like this. Okay, it looks like a bud, and then you will paste the artificial flower with leaf, okay, and put it in the basket like this. If no artificial flower is available, you can put the natural flower. Okay, then I have also made one more thing. I've taken the net cloth and then cut that into triangle shape. Now these buds, I'm putting it in this net sheet and then closing it like a bouquet. Okay, you can paste it or you can tie it with a thread along with this flower. Again, I am telling you, if there is no artificial flower, please put the natural flower and then paste it this way. Okay, finally it looks like this. If you don't have the artificial flower, you can use the fresh flowers like this and complete the basket. If you like my video and if you like this making basket, you can like and share it, and also please subscribe. You can use this for keeping the toffees, okay, and gift it to your friends or relatives or whomever you feel. Also you can use this for your ornaments. And if you make a big basket, here we have taken 6 rolls, so you can use 12 or 14 or how many ever you wanted the size of the basket you can use, and then use it for any other purpose also. Thank you very much.